Hello my brothers and sisters. Welcome back and happy resumption. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from OpenLMS to the new workspace which is Brightspace. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Brightspace. Download this exact app I'm showing you right now because there are many other apps with similar icon and name. Now let's go to the main topic, which is logging in, because many have been facing issues with switching workspace. Here you search for the school name. I'll search mine as UoPeople. Now click on this and it'll direct you to login space. Provide your credentials and click sign in. Yeah, and that's it. We're in. As you can see, there's a big interface change from OpenLMS to Brightspace. Always check your notifications and subscriptions to get updates from the discussion forum and to know when your assignments are graded. Now make sure to turn on push notifications so you won't miss deadline. I guess that's it for now, and if you have any questions or issues you'd like us to walk through together, please tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next upload. Happy studying! See you in the next one. Bye.